Welcome to Module 18, Resources for Billing Support. In this module, we will cover the following subjects: AWS Budgets, AWS Cost Explorer, AWS Billing Conductor, AWS Pricing Calculator, AWS Organization Consolidated Billing, AWS Cost and Usage Reports, using AWS Cost Allocation Tags. Let's get started. AWS Budgets helps you improve planning and cost control with flexible budgeting and forecasting. AWS Budgets is a powerful tool that allows you to set custom budgets to track your costs and usage. This enables you to respond quickly to alerts received from email or SNS notifications if you exceed your defined thresholds. So, let's dive right in. One of the standout features of AWS Budgets is that the information updates 3 times a day. This frequent updating helps you accurately determine how close your usage is to your budgeted amounts or the AWS free tier limits. Additionally, AWS Budgets allows you to set custom alerts when your usage exceeds or is forecasted to exceed the budgeted amount. Let's explore the different types of budgets AWS Budgets offers. Cost budgets: plan how much you want to spend on a specific service. Usage budgets: plan how much you want to use one or more services. Reserved instance utilization budgets: receive alerts if reserved instance usage falls below a specified threshold. Reserved instance coverage budgets: get alerts if reserved instance hours fall below a defined threshold. Saving plans utilization budgets: receive alerts if saving plans utilization falls below a certain threshold. Saving plans coverage budgets: get alerts if saving plans instance usage is below a specified threshold. Now, let's highlight the benefits of using AWS Budgets. Track your costs, usage, and coverage: easily monitor your costs, usage, and coverage with customizable budgets. Stay informed: keep yourself informed about forecasted spending and resource use. Create custom actions: take control by creating custom actions to prevent overages, inefficient resource use, or lack of coverage. Here are some practical use cases for AWS Budgets. Monitor costs and usage: set your preferred budget period, daily, monthly, quarterly, or annually, and establish specific budget limits. Create scheduled reports: stay informed on how actual or forecasted costs and usage progress toward your budget threshold. Respond to thresholds: set up custom actions to run automatically or through an approval process when a budget target is exceeded. AWS Cost Explorer is a tool that allows you to visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and usage over time. AWS Cost Explorer empowers you to create custom reports that analyze both cost and usage data. Let's highlight some key features of AWS Cost Explorer. Pre-configured views: gain insights into costs, usage information, and business insights through pre-configured views. Filtering and grouping: dive deep into your costs and usage data by applying powerful filtering and grouping options. Forecasting: plan ahead by creating a cost and usage forecast for a future time range within your reports. Custom reports: create, save, and share custom reports to explore different sets of data tailored to your needs. AWS Cost Explorer comes with a default report showcasing the costs and usage of your top 5 cost accruing AWS services. However, you have the flexibility to apply custom filters and groups to analyze your data. For instance, you can examine resource usage at the hourly level and utilize AWS resource tagging to create custom reports based on project names. It's important to note that AWS prepares data about your costs for the current month and the last 12 months, providing a comprehensive overview. Additionally, AWS Cost Explorer calculates a forecast for the next 12 months, giving you valuable insights into future expenditures. Now, let's explore some practical use cases for AWS Cost Explorer. Build custom applications: leverage direct access to the interactive analytics engine through the Cost Explorer API for programmatically querying your cost and usage data. Granular filtering: visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and usage with daily or monthly granularity. Enable hourly and resource level granularity for even more detailed insights. Forecast your costs: create forecasts for your AWS costs by selecting a future time range in your report. Utilize these forecasts to estimate your AWS bill and set alarms and budgets based on predictions. AWS Billing Conductor simplifies billing and reporting by providing customizable pricing and enhanced cost visibility. AWS Billing Conductor allows you to customize billing data, tailoring it to match the specific showback or chargeback business logic that suits your needs. The tool enables you to map your accounts to billing groups, define billing parameters, and generate detailed cost and usage reports. Let's highlight some key features of AWS Billing Conductor. Billing Group Assignment: assign accounts to a billing group, providing an aggregated view of monthly cost and usage data for you and your primary accounts. Custom Pricing Rules: create global, billing entity, service, and SKU-specific pricing rules. These rules apply to matching usage and can be assigned to your billing groups. Custom Credit or Fee Line Items: generate custom credit or fee line items for the current or prior billing period for each billing group you maintain. Cost and Usage Reports: generate detailed cost and usage reports for each billing group, accessible at both the payer account and the primary account of a billing group. Now, let's explore some practical use cases for AWS Billing Conductor. Map accounts financially: group accounts with the same financial owner into a billing group, designating one account as the primary account. Primary accounts have cross-account visibility and can generate a comprehensive cost and usage report for the entire group. Define billing parameters: create global, billing entity, service, and SKU-specific pricing rules to determine the rates your end customers see. This includes one-time or recurring custom line items for allocating fees and credits using flat or percentage-based calculation methods. Generate billing reports: easily create a detailed cost and usage report for each billing group. This capability is available at the payer account and the primary account, allowing non-primary accounts within a billing group to generate reports specific to their account. AWS Pricing Calculator is a web-based tool designed to help you estimate the cost of AWS products and services. It's a valuable resource for modeling your solutions before building them, offering transparent pricing views, grouping estimates, and facilitating easy sharing with stakeholders. Let's highlight some key features of the AWS Pricing Calculator. View transparent prices: gain insights by seeing the calculations behind the estimated prices for your service configurations. View estimates by service or groups of services to analyze architecture costs. Hierarchical estimates with groups: organize your estimates into groups to align with your architecture, enabling clear service cost analysis. Shareable estimates: save the link to each estimate for easy sharing or revisiting at a later time. Estimates are stored on AWS public servers for accessibility. Exportable estimates: export your estimates in CSV or PDF format, allowing you to share them locally with your stakeholders. Now, let's understand how the AWS Pricing Calculator works in 3 simple steps. Step 1: add services. Search and add the AWS services you need for your use case. Step 2: configure service. Enter the details of your usage to see the estimated service costs. Step 3: view estimate totals. Get a comprehensive view of estimated costs per service, service groups, and overall totals. To access the AWS Pricing Calculator, simply visit the web-based console at https://calculator.aws/#/. It's a user-friendly platform that empowers you to plan and estimate your AWS costs with ease. AWS Consolidated Billing is a powerful feature within AWS Organizations that consolidates costs from multiple accounts into a single bill. This not only simplifies the billing process but also enhances cost tracking capabilities across your entire organization. Let's highlight some key features of AWS Consolidated Billing. One bill: enjoy the convenience of receiving just one bill for all the accounts within your organization. Easy tracking: seamlessly track charges across multiple accounts and download combined cost and usage data for comprehensive analysis. Combined usage benefits: combine usage across all accounts to leverage volume pricing discounts, reserved instance discounts, and savings plans. This often results in lower charges for your projects, departments, or company compared to individual standalone accounts. No additional cost. AWS Consolidated Billing is provided at no extra fee, making it a cost-effective solution for managing multiple accounts. Let's illustrate the combined usage benefits with an example using Amazon S3. Using the data transfer out from Amazon S3 to Internet pricing tier pricing is shown in the table. Assuming account 1 transferred 5 terabytes and account 2 transferred 7 terabytes per month, then the total bill with consolidated billing is cheaper compared to total bill without consolidated billing. In conclusion, AWS Consolidated Billing is a valuable tool that simplifies your billing structure, enhances tracking, and potentially reduces costs through combined usage benefits. AWS Cost and Usage Reports provide you with the most comprehensive cost and usage data for your AWS account. This tool enables you to review, itemize, and organize your cost and usage data, giving you a detailed understanding of your spending patterns. Let's highlight some key features of AWS Cost and Usage Reports. Resource Level Understanding. Understand cost drivers at the resource level, allowing you to identify cost optimization opportunities. Custom Organization. Organize your cost and usage data with your own AWS cost categories and cost allocation tags, providing a tailored view of your expenses. Billing Reports. Create and publish billing reports to break down your cloud costs, helping you to gain insights into your AWS spending. Frequent Updates. AWS Cost and Usage Reports deliver report files to your Amazon S3 bucket and can be updated up to 3 times a day. API Reference. Create, retrieve, and delete your reports seamlessly using the AWS Core API reference. Now, let's explore some practical use cases for AWS Cost and Usage Reports. Track savings plan use, amortize associated fees and calculate internal cost allocations based on your organization's reporting needs. Integration with analytics services, easily integrate with other analytics services to query your cost and usage information, or perform deeper data analyses using various AWS services. Understand cost anomalies, analyze your costs in greater detail when your bill is higher or lower than expected. Identify trends, query the cost and usage report to analyze the root causes of unexpected trends and take immediate action. AWS Cost Allocation Tags is a powerful tool that allows you to organize and track your AWS resources more efficiently. Let's dive into the details of what tags are and how they can benefit your cost allocation. Let's start by understanding what a tag is in the AWS context. A tag is essentially a label assigned to an AWS resource, consisting of a key and a value. Each tag key must be unique for each resource, and each key can have only one value. Tags provide a way to organize your resources effectively. After you activate cost allocation tags, AWS utilizes them to organize your resource costs on your cost allocation report. This makes it easier for you to categorize and track your AWS costs. There are 2 types of cost allocation tags: AWS generated tags and user-defined tags. AWS generated tags, these are tags that AWS or AWS Marketplace ISV defines, creates, and applies for you. User-defined tags, you define, create, and apply these tags based on your specific needs. Let's consider an example where you've assigned and activated tags on 2 EC2 instances, one tag called Cost Center, and another tag called Stack. Each tag has an associated value. Additionally, you've activated AWS generated tags like created by before creating these resources. The created by tag tracks who created the resource. User-defined tags use the user prefix, while AWS generated tags use the AWS prefix. After applying and activating these tags in the Billing and Cost Management console, AWS generates a cost allocation report in CSV format. This report provides a detailed breakdown of your usage and costs, grouped by your active tags. You can apply tags representing various business categories, such as cost centers or application names. Congratulations! You have completed Module 18, Resources for Billing Support.